Hey, welcome to another great inventory home with KB Home here at the beautiful preserve at Culebra community. This home is 14926 House Wren Fall. This one is one of my popular floor plans known as the 1792 floor plan. It's essentially 1,792 square feet. Upon entry, you'll see that you'll have your 9-foot ceilings and pretty much tiled throughout the home except the bedrooms, which will have carpet. Home does come with an alarm security system and a fully automated irrigation sprinkler system. Coming over here, you'll have your bedroom number 2. And then over here, you do have your secondary bathroom. Over here, you should have your 3rd bedroom. We'll come back this way around. And then of course over here you have your nice great area, which has your open concept to have your great room, dining room in one, entertainment system right here that you can put your TV. The home does have your nice granite countertops, nice tall 42-inch white cabinets. Granite countertops do extend out so you can put bar stools in the bottom right there. This floor plan does have a overextended pantry, washer and dryer room, 2-car garage, nice backsplash. Does come with the Whirlpool appliances, oven and range, microwave, and your dishwasher, stainless steel. Sinks are gonna be 50-50, extends out, your Moen faucets. We'll come over here. This house is located in a spot where you won't ever have any neighbors directly behind you. It does have a water runoff behind there, but it's a 30-foot easement, so you won't ever have any neighbors behind you. After those 30 feet, there will be additional houses that get built, but at least you'll know you'll never have to share a fence with anybody. And then we'll come this way to the master bedroom. Master bedroom is going to be very great in size. And then over here, master bathroom does have a stand-up shower, nice great big linen closet. We'll take a look at the stand-up shower here. Tile surrounding it, nice big size. It does have your double sinks in the master. The toilet is enclosed. And then over here, you'll have your nice closet for the master bedroom. To see this home and any other KB home, please contact me, Josh, at 210-573-1700. Thank you.